I'm Brent Spier, City Administrator for Clear Lake Shores, Texas. I didn't have any experience coming into any type of video system, but I found it easy to maneuver with. It's easy to go back into history and find specific events. And we have numerous cameras scattered throughout the city on different assets and parks. We even have license plate readers on entrances to the residential section of our city, which is an island. I've had to review footage periodically using this system, and what makes it nice is I can access a camera, I can scroll in and very quickly go back through history. If I know it's at 5 p.m. on a Wednesday and it's now Friday at 3 p.m., I can go back through history very easily, and it makes it easy to identify any type of movement on that system by using some of the tools. So if you know that in this frame that there's movement of someone coming over the top of a fence at a certain area, or a gate opening or a door opening, you can highlight that area and then go ahead and do a search for that, and it will find all instances of that motion. So it makes it easy to pinpoint what you're looking for. I've not had any experience with any video systems or security systems. This was my first attempt, and I started with Clear Lake Shores about a year ago, and this system was already installed. And so I needed some training and wanted to be familiar with the system, and so I contacted our vendor, Lighthouse, and they made time for me and kind of brought me up to speed. Lighthouse, I'm most impressed with their response. There are times when we lose a camera. You can't insulate it from everything in nature. So what I like about Lighthouse is that we can make one call and they can handle everything we need. And so they'll come out and troubleshoot that, replace equipment, and have us back up and running with minimal amount of downtime. With a video system, one of the things you want to know is that it's available and it's useful, and you don't want to have to monitor it all the time to confirm that it's working. And what I like about Lighthouse is that the equipment that they use, the system that they installed for us, it works. And so we don't have to spend a lot of time going back and looking for when something went out or when something stopped working. There's nothing worse than to have something serious happen and you want to go back and have history or review it, and to find out that camera stopped working 3 weeks earlier, or you can't access it because there was a problem in writing it to a disk or the hard drive. We don't have those issues, and the redundancy that's built into the system works very well for us. If you were considering doing business with Lighthouse, I would certainly advise you to at least give them a call and let them see what you need. Sometimes what the customer thinks they needs are different than what the reality is. And I think they do a good job of listening to your needs and then finding a solution for you and finding something that is useful and can be used by the end user. So, give them a call. And Kurt got to listen to all my answers, so now he can pigtail on them.
I didn't listen.
Okay, good. Even better.